Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Waller's Wallet, and you know what? Well, I'm just going to assume Citi watched my video on them missing out here and really took it to heart. Because they've made a few more adjustments to their cards, not only to the Prestige, but also to the Citi Premier. Then US Bank finally makes a temporary change to the Altitude Reserve, so let's take a look at these updates. Now, if you want a simple way to help out the channel, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, banks are really trying to make some improvements during this time so you can use their cards and you feel like you're getting value from their cards. And we recently saw Chase roll out a second wave of temporary improvements, and now Citi wants in on the action as well. And US Bank, I'll say they're limping into this as well. Now let's first start off with Citi. Now Citi originally only made an adjustment to the Citi Prestige, where the Prestige travel credit could be used at supermarkets as well as for dining purchases, which was nice, but they didn't give you any boost on any multipliers. But now Citi has decided to add a 5x multiplier for online shopping for the Citi Prestige from now until August 31st. And the big kicker here, though, is that it's limited to $1,500 in spending, which would be 7,500 points. Then also, not all Prestige cardholders are going to get this benefit. You would have needed to open your card by May 22nd. If you open it on May 23rd or after, then you're not going to get this 5x earning rate for online shopping. And I know some people are going to be unhappy with that $1,500 limit for online purchases, but you know what? We can't win them all, and not everything in this time is going to be uncapped for earnings. But Citi giving the Prestige here is a nice boost for customers. Then when it comes to the Citi Premier, Citi originally did nothing for this card, but now they've decided to move up the dates on that 3x earning rates for dining and grocery store purchases from August 23rd to now. And this is definitely a good move by Citi, and I mentioned they should do this in a previous video, because waiting until August 23rd wasn't helping customers today, and their card wasn't even close to being competitive with the other options on the market. And it really shouldn't have taken someone this long at Citi to see that this could have been a beneficial move. But you know what? I guess it's better late than never. But for someone who values thank you points or doesn't have other cards like a Chase Sapphire Reserve or an American Express Gold card, this now becomes a more useful card for you because you're going to get better earning rates on grocery and dining purchases. I mean, if I had both the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Citi Premier here, I would be using the Citi Premier over the Chase Sapphire Preferred. But the moves made here by Citi are nice moves for customers, and I always welcome positive changes for customers at this time. Then for US Bank. I'll just say US Bank has definitely been a bit slower on doing anything for customers who hold the Altitude Reserve, and their communication has been even slower. But looks like they're finally making some temporary changes to the Altitude Reserve as well. Now, I saw these changes on a few blogs like Doctor of Credit and Danny Dealguru, nothing from US Bank themselves, because there hasn't been an email or any notice on my account when I log in. Absolutely nothing from US Bank. And I mean, US Bank, if you're going to make positive changes, it would be great to communicate those changes with your customers. But US Bank has done nothing of the sort as of yet. But the Altitude Reserve is temporarily going to be earning triple points on dining until December 31st of this year, which is nice in those instances when you can't use a mobile wallet. Also, that $325 travel credit will also be able to be used for dining purchases until December 31st of this year. This should also include takeout and delivery services as well. This is going to make it a little bit easier for people to get some value here while people aren't traveling. Now, all of these updates are really trying to make sure customers feel they're getting value from their travel cards in a time when people really aren't traveling. And I think it's great to see US Bank finally jump on the bandwagon and offer some sort of benefit to their Altitude Reserve customers. And it was a great move by Citi to move up that August 23rd date on the Citi Premier to today. And even for Prestige cardholders, while it is capped, earning 5x on online shopping is still pretty solid. But with banks adding a second wave of updates, I'm wondering if American Express is planning on adding anything else onto their cards, let's say for the American Express Gold card. We'll just have to wait and see. So tell me, what do you think of these updates from Citi and US Bank? Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, a simple way would be use links on the website or in the description below. And if you know somebody who could benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. And until next time, safe travels and take care.